You passed AWS, but companies still won't hire you. Here's why. I kept seeing the same thing everywhere recently: Reddit, LinkedIn, YouTube comments. People saying they passed their AWS exam and still cannot get a single interview. It kept bothering me, so I looked into it properly. And what I found was really eye-opening. Let me share it with you. First thing that kept coming up everywhere I looked: a certification alone is not enough anymore. Think about it like a driving license. It proves you know the rules, but nobody hands you a professional driving job just because you passed the test. You need to show you can actually drive. AWS is the same. Companies want proof you can build something, not just that you passed an exam. And that leads to the first reason people are not getting hired: no projects. From everything I read, the people getting callbacks have something to show. Not perfect things, not advanced things, just real things they built themselves. A simple website on S3, a contact form using Lambda, a tool that checks their AWS bill. Small stuff that proves they can actually open the console and do something. Second reason: applying to the wrong roles. Solutions architect jobs want 5 years of experience. The roles that actually make sense for beginners are cloud support, associate, junior cloud engineer, and cloud operations. That is where the entry point actually is. Third reason: this one surprised me when I first came across it. Most companies use software that filters resumes automatically before a human even sees them. So if the job description says EC2 and S3 and your resume says cloud compute and storage, you are already out. The fix is simple. Use the exact same words they use in the job description every time. Fourth reason: not being visible anywhere. From what I found, most people who broke into cloud roles were not just sending applications into the void. They were showing up somewhere: LinkedIn, AWS communities, Reddit threads, commenting, asking questions, sharing what they were learning, just being visible consistently. Fifth reason: interviews go deeper than the exam. Exams test what services do. Interviews test why you would pick one over another. And that thinking only develops from actually building things, not from studying, from doing. Sixth reason: salary expectations being off. From what I came across, entry-level cloud roles start around 50 to 65,000. Many are hybrid for the first year. The advice I kept seeing was to get in first, build real experience, then negotiate from a stronger place later. Seventh reason: being invisible online. Recruiters actually search for people. And if your LinkedIn is empty and your GitHub has nothing on it, you simply do not show up. Posting about what you are learning, sharing projects you built, writing about things that confused you. That is what builds visibility over time. So that is basically what I found. The certification is just the starting point. Projects, right roles, right keywords, being visible. That is what actually moves things forward. If this was helpful, subscribe. I look into topics like this and break them down as simply as I can. See you in the next one.